Hello friends, welcome to NEET Career. In this video, we are going to talk about some things, state-wise counseling updates and its last date, when the state-wise registration are going to get over, registration plus other formalities like security deposit. We will also talk about the Supreme Court case hearing, the next hearing which seems to be very critical for the counseling process. Before we start with the topics, if you are new here, please do subscribe the channel. So now let's firstly discuss about what's going on currently. The first thing is related to MCC All India registration. Many candidates will ask when is the last date for the MCC registration and when is the last date for the security deposit payment. Right now there is no last date, only the beginning date which was there before the last hearing, and there is no last date because the schedule itself is not published, so you can do the registration anytime. Even after schedule is published, they will give few days of time for the registration, and the choice filling will be started as for the direction given by the Supreme Court in the next hearing, which is scheduled to happen on 30th of September. So currently all India registration and security deposit payment of rupees 2 lakhs, which is refundable, is going on for the deemed universities. At the same time, the reset option is there so that you could change the category, you could change the rest counseling types next this yesterday. Andhra Pradesh state had published both of the application link for the registration and the brochure for competent authority quota and the management quota. In Andhra Pradesh is very peculiar state where there is concept of Cat A, Cat B and Cat C. The concept of Cat A, Cat B and Cat C is also applicable in the state of Telangana. But what is the meaning of Cat A, Cat B and Cat C? Cat A is nothing but government colleges plus government seats in the private colleges. Cat B is open seats, but their 15% seats are open to others. 85% seats are available only for the local candidates. The next is Cat C. The Cat C categorization NRI quota and institutional quota. There the tuition fee is very high and it is almost 5 times of the normal tuition fee. The tuition fee in the management quota is just 10 lakhs and there are plenty of options. Last year many candidates are asking me that last year it went up to 1 lakh for the clinical branches, so I easily get the seat there. You need to think in 10 lakhs tuition fee which is there in Andhra Pradesh, how they can allot the seat in the clinical branches up to 1 lakh rank. So last year the counseling was so much delayed in Andhra Pradesh, that's why the candidates who were supposed to compete, they already got seats somewhere and they were not able to come back to Andhra Pradesh because they had to pay the penalty to leave the seat wherever they got seat allotted and joined. So the computation got reduced so much in Andhra Pradesh and the result is the cutoff went very low. So this year they have started already, so it become one of the fast forward states. This year the same trend may not be repeat. So the last date for the registration in Andhra Pradesh for Cat A and Cat B and Cat C is on 4th of October. There is no deposit in Andhra Pradesh and it is a open state. Next state is Himachal Pradesh. So in Himachal Pradesh, today is the last date. You can do registration and there is no security deposit in the first round. Again now Maharashtra. Maharashtra registration will go on until 3rd of October. Maharashtra is also a state where candidates are so much interested, those who are eligible, although it is a closed state, but so many candidates are interested for this state and you can do registration on 3rd of October. In the round 2 the registration won't open in Maharashtra. Again in third round you can do the registration. Pondicherry already closed the registration and choice filling. Tamil Nadu already closed the registration and choice filling. Next state is Punjab where the registration will go on until 30th of September. And it is one of the first state where the seat matrix is also published. In the state of Punjab, seat matrix is also published. They also ask 2 lakhs of security deposit. In the state of Rajasthan, only start date is given, not the end date. The registration is going from 25th and there is no last date. There is no brochure, there is no schedule. So they ask you to do the registration Even payment link is not available. Security deposit payment amount is not mentioned. For UG, they have taken 5 lakhs of deposit. So there is more chance that for PG also they will ask 5 lakhs of deposit. Next state is Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, the registration is going on and 30th is the last date. Registration is going on there. Some states are allowing registration only one time. Like Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, they are allowing registration one time. In UP, registration got closed today, but again they released one notification that it got extended up to 30th of September. So at 11 am you got extension and you have to do the security deposit permit also in the first round, and registration won't open again, only it will open for newly qualified candidates after the cutoff is revised. Next state is Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, the registration is going on. There is no private colleges, only government colleges. 1st October is the last date. Jammu and Kashmir also has just started the registration, and then Sikkim Manipal. So let me count for you. Sikkim Manipal, Jammu Kashmir, Jharkhand, then Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and then Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Punjab, Pondicherry, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh, all India. So around like 12 or more places counseling have been started. Registration or close the registration. So don't assume that the counseling is not going on. Choice filling is not going on. Choice filling has not started. Schedule for All India has not published. But the main part where you know that the registration is mandatory, you must complete the registration within that time frame, else you will lose your opportunity to get the seat from that state. So that's all for today from my side. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.